Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, everyone. You're here with Mark, and we're going to do a bit of a day in the life today. The first site I've turned up to is Te Araha, and it's beautiful. Beautiful cold morning, sun's shining, and the crew's busy behind me getting the cladding onto the walls. And then we're going to go and check out another couple of sites. Heading over to the beautiful Bay of Plenty to drop off the screws and bolts for a new build we've got there. So come along with me today and we'll have a look at all these sheds, pick up a few tips and tricks along the way, and see some more of this beautiful country of ours. Let's go. So here we are, we've got the high ground up behind the shed here, and the crew's making great work of it. We've got James up on the scissor lift there, and he's attaching the top of the paper and the top of the sheets as they go along, working from the scissor lift. And then they've already done the whole back wall, side walls, and they're going to work along and do those. So yeah, awesome colour, this cracker. I really like it, just nice green, fits in well with the landscape, looks really sharp, looks really good. Colour steel product and absolutely top quality stuff, made in New Zealand, and it's making a lot of nice New Zealand jobs. So in here behind the shed, there's going to be 3 big water tanks for this, which is really cool. Yeah, and then roof's going to go on next, and yeah, nice big mono. So as you can see, they've fitted these end wall sheets here, and after they've just put them all on long, and then they'll go through with a pair of shears and cut those down to size. So nice quick way to get that done, get your sheets on, and then you've got that angle to cut to with your shears. And then your barge flashing goes over and covers all of that up as well. So yeah, no, looks really good. Watergate Plus on the walls on this, and then bayonet roofing paper on the roof. So you can see here, they've pre-drilled all their sheets. When they'd had them in a stack, they've pre-drilled all of those, and they'll go through and screw those off. So looks really good. Pop down here, and they have measured out and marked out where their PA door's going to go and taken their vermin flashing out there. So it looks really good. So inside the shed now, you can see the water gate on the walls, and here we are. So this is the inside of that PA door we were just looking at. So down the bottom, they've put their 2 brackets into the ground and dynabolted, dynabolted those on. And then 2 big mullions in there to strengthen up that side wall. So yep, looking sharp as. Awesome. All right, I'm going to jump back on the road and head over to the beautiful Bay of Plenty and check out our new build, check over the kit, make sure that the pad's been done up to standard and that everything's looking good for the builders to start that one on tomorrow, I believe, on Friday. So we'll leave Kyron and the crew here now, and they're going to continue to do their amazing work, and we're going to keep on going. G'day everyone, welcome to Site 2 for the day. We're in the beautiful Bay of Plenty, fantastic drive down here, and just checking out this site too. So checking on the pad, make sure it's all been done right, square and looking good, good side access, and waiting for the Metalcraft truck to come on in and drop off the kit for this one. It's going to be a beautiful big shed, this one, 25 metres by 12 metres deep, 3.8 metres to the wall, 3.8 metre high walls, and an 11-degree pitch roof. So we'll go over, have a quick look at the pad, and then yeah, cruise on out. So yep, the pad looks fantastic. Concrete is, take my hat off to you, you guys done a fantastic job. It's just had the cuts put in it, so you can see on the floor they've done all the expansion cuts into it, and the pad looks great. The finish is really top quality. I've just been going around the edge now with my grinder and grinding off the little bit of excess concrete that you get on the edge of your pad. So especially when they're working up the top into a nice cream, you're going to get a little bit of that run over onto your boxing, and you can see it here on this side. It's kind of hard to see, but that edge is a little bit rough, so I'll just run down that with my grinder and grind that off so it's nice and smooth. So we've got 4 roller doors going into this, and then 1 bay that will be closed in with a bit of aluminium in there. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Huge shed, 25 meters by 12 meters. Good size shed, fit a lot of good gear in there. Got the water tank in there, nice flat, easy access, and a lot of room to drop everything off. So it's going to be awesome to see this one go up. Awesome. So we've got the trucks arrived from VT Transport. I'm going to start unloading it all, get all the strops off, put all the structure next to the pad, and then we'll put the roofing iron out of the way on the other side. It's pretty tight getting into the site, but we got it done, so awesome. Get this all unloaded, and then we'll head back over to Morrinsville. And that's the end of the day in the life with me, Mark the Builder. Big thanks to Colour Steel and the rest of our suppliers. I'm just coming to Metalcraft in Hamilton and picked up this gutter that I'm going to take up to the Coromandel tomorrow, Otamo Bay, and check out an awesome shed house we've got going on up there, and see a big monster 30 metre by 10 metre shed house slab get poured in the morning as well. So thanks for coming along. It's been a good day out on the road, and we'll catch you possibly tomorrow. Cheers.
Awesome. Thank you so much for watching and getting to the end of this video. Without you guys, we would have no channel. Big shout out to the whole team at Waikato Sheds, always working hard and putting in the effort behind the scenes to make it happen. All our suppliers, New Zealand Steel, Colour Steel, Metalcraft, Cladding, Fisher, Windows, Connect, always backing us and behind us, as well as all our subbies and builders. They're doing a great job. If you've got any questions, just hit us up in a comment below. I'll always make sure to answer it. Shout us a like, and if you want to see any more of us, who doesn't? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, just look up Waikato Sheds or Noble Sheds, even LinkedIn, and you'll find us on there. Otherwise, you might like this video or this video, and make sure to subscribe. Cheers, guys.